stuck right now. Feel up, but I like it.
Okay, thank you. So look, mommy's gonna show you guys how to cut a potato, and we can each cut one, okay?
Cut one.
And then we're gonna put it in the bowl when we're all done. Look, mommy's gonna show you.
Pop.
1, 2. Okay, so we're gonna take turns. Put it in the bowl when we're all done.
Wow.
Wow. Okay.
Mango.
Do you want to cut it? Do you want to try, or do you want mommy to do it?
Okay, I will try.
Okay, mommy's gonna hold it for you.
No, I try.
I'll help you. I have to help you, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
1, 2, 3. 1. Hands back, please. 2, 3. Okay. Now I'm gonna let Soba cut one, okay? Let's move these to right here. Nana, can you watch those, please, so they don't run away? Come on, help mommy. Oh, you're left-handed? Okay. Thank you. Good job, baby. You want mommy to do this one? Another one for Soba. 1.
3.
Good job, baby. Okay, we have to finish this one first. We're almost done. We're not done with this one yet. Good job. Okay. Hey. Be careful with the knife, okay? We're gonna put it down for a second. We're gonna let Genevieve cut one, and then Scarlett can cut one more, okay? Thank you. Yay. Good job, baby. How many pieces is there?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1.
Okay. Oops.
Oops.
It's a lot. I think we might need just one more. Mommy's gonna cut the last one, okay?
Yeah. Right.
Hands away from the knife, please.
No, yeah.
Look, I have to cut it one more time because we only cut it in 3 pieces. There we go. Now it's in 4.
That's sweet.
We got our potatoes, and Mommy.
Nice, mommy.
You want to eat? No, you don't eat them. We have to cook them first, okay? Pour it in. Now baby's gonna pour some. Good job. Uh-oh, you got it? You got it? Good job. Mommy's gonna take her hand and mommy's gonna mix it, okay? Not the baby's. Mommy's gonna... No, because I need your hands to be clean for the next part. No. No, thank you. Mommy's gonna mix them first, okay? And then you guys are gonna help me with the next part. Nice and patient, babies. Good job. No touch.
No touch.
No touching.
It smells.
It smells good?
Yeah.
How can you smell it already? So we're gonna take some Creole seasoning. Pour it in. No, not first. Pour it in. Okay, good job. Okay, that's enough. Now we're gonna let baby pour some in. Oh, good job. Yeah, it's a little spicy, okay? A little one. There you go. No more. Okay, hey. Wait. We're not gonna fight over it. It's okay. Come here, Scarlett. You're gonna do a splash too. Ready? There you go. Good job. Great job, you guys. Okay? Okay. Now mommy's gonna stir it again. We're gonna make a chicken in the oven. Okay. Now we're gonna put these to the side over here. Okay? And no touching, Soba. No touching. Really important that you guys listen to mommy's words, okay?
Okay. I'm trying it.
The oven is ready. The oven's ready for the chicken. Don't touch it, okay?
Okay. Come on, let's go.
Mommy already rinsed it out earlier. We aren't gonna touch it, okay? Nobody touch. No touch, okay? He's gonna stay right there. We're not gonna touch him.
Crab.
Oh, you think it's a crab? That's not a crab.
It's crab.
Okay, so I need you guys to put some seasoning. Yeah. So I need you to put some salt in this bowl. Do you know how to use this? Can you do that for mommy? With the pepper in the bowl, okay? Thank you. Do that, or here, put a little bit of garlic salt in there. That's good. Do some pepper. Look, you hold this part and you twist. Can you do that for mommy? Thank you. I get a little bit more than that, Mama.
It's spicy?
It's gonna be very picas. Don't taste it, okay? Do not taste it, okay?
What's this?
Don't pour it in. Do not pour it in.
Okay.
Leave it there, okay?
Oh.
You okay?
Okay.
This is like how... That's okay though. We could just do a salt, pepper. Salt and pepper. You say chicken? Chicken. Good job. Shake. Okay. Oh yeah. Definitely gonna make you sneeze. You sneezing like a snail?
I'll try.
Yeah, you try. And then we need oil and butter. Okay, so the next part, mommy's gonna do, okay? Good job. So this is what mommy's gonna use to season the chicken, okay? Chicken. Yeah, so we're gonna sit that right there for now. Can you throw this away? Thank you. Put that in the garbage for mommy.
Okay.
Oh, really? Yeah, sometimes. Okay.
Hi.
So I need you to pour the potatoes into the Dutch oven for mommy.
No, it's not.
These are gonna go in there so they can cook. Here. Can you pour them in there for me? Good job. Oh, forgot a couple. Good job. Yes.
Spicy.
This looks like this is gonna be a little bland. Uh-oh, careful, careful. We need to keep this right here, okay? But I don't need your help yet, okay? I'm gonna put on my gloves. You want a glove too? Your fingers are too small. Okay, no touch the chicken, okay? No touching. Don't touch it, okay? I need you to pour this on the chicken for mommy.
I'm hungry.
I know you're hungry. We has to cook though.
I'm hungry.
Here, pour this into the thing for me. All over on that side too.
Ow.
I'm sorry. Okay, mommy will do it, okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Down.
Good job.
It's good.
The butter is good?
But it's good.
Okay,
Oh.
good.
Sorry, baby. Look, you're amazing.
It's okay. Okay, can you pour the seasoning on for me?
Okay.
Here. Here. Pour this on the chicken for mommy. Scarlett first. Let Scarlett have the little one. Here, pour it on there. Yeah. Good job, baby. Yay!
Yeah.
Okay, now pour it all over here more, okay?
Okay.
Here, pour it on. Don't wipe it on your shirt. I have to wash your hands. Pour it. Come on. Dump it out. Good job. Good job. Okay. Now mommy's gonna rub the seasonings all over. That looks yummy.
That's right. Mommy.
No touch, because it's raw chicken. Mommy didn't touch this, okay? Good job, guys. High five. High five. Good job, babies.
Oh, it's
Thank you.
open. It's good.
Okay, now I have to cook it, okay?